So guys, one of the trade we should be looking out for today will be GBP JPY. First, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you please click, if you have not yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, share, also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. And also, if you are yet to follow me on Telegram, I will be putting a link to my Telegram channel. Once you check the comment section, you see the link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram. I'll be very glad to have you follow me there, and I'll also be putting out some content there. Now, with what I'm seeing on this GBP JPY, GBP JPY is literally ready to fall, to make another fall. I mean, we've seen it come to this major resistance level, right? So we should see it drop. I think with this from here to this level drop, this should be about 88 pips. So if you can have about 80 to, if you can grab about 80 to 90 pips in this drop, then it will be fine. But before it drops, I believe we are very much likely to see this GBP JPY comes to this highs. We can see this highs here, this candlestick liquidity level here. I mean, a lot of traders are watching this level where GBP is currently at. A lot of traders would want to take a sell around this level, but I personally will see this as a liquidity playing out, because once people are placing their sell, then GBP JPY will come out, we just go up, take out some traders stop loss. A lot of traders stop loss, by the way, before we start, getting that drop. So I want you guys to be very, very careful of this liquidity level. But the main aim or the goal is that GBP JPY is about to drop, and it will be dropping probably this today. And if you don't get it today, then by next week you should start expecting a drop on GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is ready for a fall. It just depends on how you actually take the trade. So let's see, if in case one movement comes up, then we should see GBP JPY start giving us that drop for the day.